Okay, so now let's talk about some of the random tips that David and I have found over our careers and things that we just kind of want to share.
Yeah, so VS Code, I can't say enough great things about it. First tip is going to be to try a new extension in VS Code. I was actually able to show Jeff a new extension to take screenshots of code for this presentation. So there's a win there. Second tip, start small. Focus on improving one aspect of your code. If you need to focus on regex, focus on that, get good at it, and then move on to something else. But I'd probably recommend saving regex to the last thing you need to work on. Third, get a buddy and collaborate. Find someone in the community that you can work with. I've had a phenomenal time working with Michael Escamilla on OSD Cloud this year, and Matthew Miles, and now I get to spend some time working with Jeff, bounce some ideas back and forth. It's a win for both of you. Fourth tip, use Copilot. Copilot is fantastic for writing PowerShell. Use it to check your work. I once had Copilot discover an error in OSD Cloud that existed for months, and I would have probably never found it, but it did a code review and it found that error. The other thing I like Copilot doing is taking time doing these small tasks like adding comments to scripts or writing my comment-based help, because that's something that could take up to 10 minutes per PowerShell function. And I can just tell Copilot, read my code and write out the comment-based help for me. And that is a huge time saver. Finally, use Git. Learn how to use Git to back up your scripts, to implement change control, and create a script repository. Share it with the community. Go back and collaborate with that buddy. Put one together and let me know where the link is, and we'll share it out.